Hey, boys and girls, it's Mr. Mac. Today we are going to work on lesson 6 of module 1, which is developing multiplication fluency. So, really, the biggest thing here is that we're going to be doing multi step problems. So, we're going to be looking into real world situations and solving them just with more than one step. So, our first example here it says Fun Park Amusement rents foods, carts, game booths, equipment. And rides for parties, fundraisers, and county fairs. The rental prices are shown in the table. In May, 36 game booths and 14 rides were rented from Fun Park. How much did Fun Park earn from the game booth and ride rentals in May? Okay, so when we're looking at this, the first question they're asking is, what do we need to find? Okay, and the first thing that we need to find is the how much money they earned. How much money they earned from the game booth and ride rentals. Okay, so I'm going to take that. I'm just going to put it on the side over here. You would have this on the lines there for the problem as well. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on the side there. That's what we're looking to find out, how much money they earn from the game booth and the ride rental. So it says write a multiplication equation to model each cost. Okay, so we have to look at the game booth. All right, there were 36 game booths, and each game booth is $79. So if we're doing the game booth, that would be 36 because there's 36 game booths, and we're multiplying the game booths by the cost per game booth, which would be 79. And I'll make that look a little nicer. All right. And then after that, we need to figure out the next one, which is the ride rentals. Okay, so the ride rentals, I'm just going to put RR in here to save some space. We had 14 of those, okay, and each ride rental is $149. All right, so we need to solve both of these problems in order to figure out the total amount that they earned, right? So I'm going to do 79 times 36 first. So again, we multiply by the ones place. 6 times 9 is 54. Carry my 5. Okay, 6 times 7 is 42, plus 5 is 47. Okay, I put down my 0. 3 times 9 is 27. I put down the 7. I don't need this anymore. I carry my 2. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23. Okay, so I'm putting 2 and a 3 there, and then I add them together. So I get 4, 14, 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8, and then a 2. So 2,844 is one of the answers. Now I have to do the other problem, which is 149 times 14. And just for sake of saving the time, I'm just going to plug that in and get my answer, which is 149 times 14. That gives me 596. Sorry, not 596. It's 2,086. So if I need to find the total cost, I would take my 2,844. Okay. And I would add the 2,086. All right, to get my total cost here. So I would have 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry my 1. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Carry my 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. And that will give me my total cost, which is $4,930. Okay, so that's just one multi-step problem where you had to do the cost of one, the cost of another, and add it up. So really, that's like a 3-step problem that we were just able to solve there. But that's what we're talking about. We're doing multiplication fluency. So when we go on to the next page, question number 2, it says new floor tiles are being installed in a restaurant at an amusement park. There are 254 tiles needed to cover the floor. What is the area of the floor? Okay, so over here, we see that this is an area here. It has 24 inches by 18 inches. To find the area, you're doing length times width. So in this problem, you'd have to find the area of one tile. Okay, so then that's 24 and 18. So right in this area, you would multiply 24 times 18. Okay, that would give you the total area, and 24 times 18, I'll do that now, 24 times 18. Make sure that it's right. It's 432. So that would be the area of one tile. Okay. And then after that, it says what's the area of the restaurant floor. Well, we had 254 tiles here. So we'd have to say 254. And we would have to multiply that by 432. Okay, and if you're unsure how to do the 3-digit times the 3-digit, you can go back and watch my video that goes over that, which is posted right on my website. Okay, so we have 432 and we do times 254. That's going to give us a big number, okay, which would be 109,728. Okay, so again, this is all we're doing is using multiplication multiple times in order to show how to do multi-step problems. Okay, good luck with your lessons today. If you need to go back and watch this or the other multiplication videos as review, they're posted right on my website. All right, good luck with your work today, guys.